Hi, I'm professional makeup artist Adeola Boyega, and I'm really excited to show you the Gift of Dreamy Skin. Everything you need to achieve really beautiful glowing skin this party season. So the first product I'm going to use is the Gentle Cleanser. Now what I really love about this is that it's formulated with pro-vitamin B5, so it's super soothing and hydrating. The great thing about this cleanser is it removes all of your makeups, especially at party season. You're not having to worry about a long cleansing routine. You want something quick and easy that removes all traces of SPF, makeup, and even long wearing eye makeup. Next, we're going to be going in with the CloudCream, one of my personal favorites. Now what I love is that this comes in a fantastic size. It's a really nourishing and hydrating moisturizer, which has ceramides which are really good for soothing, hydrating and repairing the skin. It's the perfect primer for your makeup. I love to apply this nourishing rich ceramide formula onto my skin because it's infused with hyaluronic acid as well as shea butter to give me that luxurious, soft, supple looking skin. And exclusively as part of this kit, we've got the lip treat in a beautiful rose tinted color. What I love about this is that it really helps to enhance your natural lip color as well as hydrating and prepping the lips ready for your lipstick application. So this is everything you need to achieve glowing skin this party season, the perfect gift for yourself or your loved one.